Hey everyone, meet Brandon here. Thanks for watching the video where I helped you fix your pilot light to keep it going. If you missed it, I'll put it up here and at the end of the video. In this video, I'm just gonna show you if you're having problems like you got your pilot light going, but you can't get the gas to flow. Obviously, I took off all the logs and stuff. You gotta take them out. And then what I recommend is take like a sponge like this. It can be an old one, doesn't really matter. Doesn't need to be abrasive, or you can even use like a paper towel. And you just wipe along where the gas is gonna come out. And you guys will be shocked how fast, make sure you don't burn yourself on, I don't know if you can see all the spider webs and stuff, but how fast and easy it'll just clear out because this is where the gas is gonna come out. And then you just wanna check and see if it works. And there you go. Sometimes it takes 5 seconds, sometimes you might have to scrub a little bit, but it's just a quick fix. You can use canned air and spray in there, that'll help too, but I hope that helps you guys. Hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.